Ang cute. Hello, scary. Scary. Like, showing her emotions all the time. In that face, it tells you that she is sad. That I have a mail from New York State for something summons.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Oh my God. Hello. Ito pa rin yung suot ko. 4 something na 4:09. I just got up and then, yan. Alis agad. Kailangan kasi wala before yung traffic. So yun, good morning. Nandun si Tami, nag-coffee si Tami. Si Tami actually woke me up kasi sabi ko sa kanya, wake me up before you go. Anyway guys, good morning. See you na lang later sa bahay, okay? Walang sasakyan masyado, guys. It's almost 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock na. Wala masyadong sasakyan, love. Ang sasakyan is my cruise control, so hindi na ako nag-ano ng gas kasi wala namang traffic. Alam nyo ano yung naobserbahan ko sa mga sasakyan na may cruise control? Madaling kumain ng gas. Iwan ko, yun yung naobserbahan ko, madaling kumain ng gas kapag maraming sasakyan. Kapag traffic and then nag-cross control ka, grabe, ang dali ko kumain ng gas. Aray guys. Okay, inak. Noo ko mo, kiat na lagi. Ay, kiat na eh. Atas ka may roksigo, piroksigo. Talag ka ito mga ito. Mga buong-buong. Hala. Guys, ito yung ano guys, sabi ko na winawash ko. Look, makikita na ninyo, sobrang ganda niya. Crystal pala ito guys. I told you from yesterday's vlog, diba? Ang diba, ito na siya, malinis na. Crystal pala. Sa tunog pala yan malalaman. Sabi pa ni Tami, crystal yan, wag mong itapon. Ang gaganda daw. Maganda talaga siya. Maganda ito pang margarita, oh. Maryaritable. Pinakain ko na sila. Naghugas ako ng pinggan. And sleepy. So, ang gagawin ko is ilagay ko itong bra. Sabi pa ni Tami, why you have to wear bra going home? Just carry that bra to the car and then don't wear bra. I said, just in case, alam nyo. Pagpunta ko dito, guys, yung highway is closed. Kino-close ng police, so I have to exit. So, luckily, yung sasakyan ko may GPS. So, after that, hindi ko alam kung saan ako dinala ng GPS. Nagpalibot-libot ako kasi hindi ko alam. So, I have to follow. And then, finally, I just keep going and going. Nakita ko yung pabalik sa highway. Pero malayo yung malayo yung narating ko, guys. Malayo yung narating ko. So, yon. Come here, baby. Come here, Misty. Come. Good girl. Good girl. Matulog lang ako, guys. Pahinga. And, yeah. You stay here. Gusto kong magpahinga. Okay? You stay there. Night. Anyway, guys. So, yun. And, sleepy muna tayo dito. Maya na ako maligo, guys. Katatapos ko, nagkat ako ng grass, tapos na. And, dinalian ko kasi sabi, may storm daw. May storm daw, kaya binilisan ko. So, nag-start ako 9 o'clock, and then natapos ako 10. something. Kasi sa front at sa side lang naman. Yun, tapos na po. And pagkatapos ko talagang nagkat ng grass, doon umulan. And then ngayon, nag-stop na naman. Tignan natin sa labas. Wala ng ulan. Tumubo, tinanim ko yan, tumubo. Lagyan natin ng tubig. Mamaya. Tapos. Guys, do you have any idea how to, itong bathroom is, we have a, when my mother-in-law used this bathroom, kasi pag maligligo kasi siya, hindi niya tinaturn yung vent. Yung vent is hindi naka-on. So, yung moist ng mainit, yung fog. Kasi gumagamit siya sobrang init na tubig, just like Tommy. And, so, ano nyo guys, solution? Kasi meron akong nakikita mga kind of line over here, sa ceiling, dito. Yung parang moist mark, yung mark ng moist, na andon, yung parang, hindi naman siya puti. I don't know if you can see it. No, hindi nyo makikita. Pero yeah, so, paano siya makukuha? Dapat bang i-wash ng wash clothes ng basa? Hindi ko alam. Kasi ang pangit tignan, may parang sparkle, nag-sparkle siya ba? Parang sobrang, yung parang moist ba na nakalinya? Andun na siya palagi. Dito din meron, doon. Mostly dito sa shower area meron. And, hindi ko alam, basta yun. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko is gagamit tayo dito ng mag-mask tayo. Hindi ko alam kung alin yung gagamitin ko. Ano siya, made in New Zealand. Ano to next time na yan. Ito gamitin natin. Coffee plus coconut oil. Awakening face mask. Wake up tired skin with... Okay, gamitin natin ito.
Ginaw. It smells like coffee talaga, guys. This is coffee, diba? And it smells like coffee and coconut oil. I can smell coconut. And... Yeah, I'm watching, anong tawag nun yung show na yan, 90 Days Fiancé, nanonood ako. 10 minutes it says. This is nice. I like this. It smells very coconut and coffee mix. 10 minutes daw, guys. So, balikan ka kayo. Tapos lang natin ito. Maganda siya. I'm looking. So, pabayaan natin siya until 10 minutes daw sabi. Pero tignan natin. Hi guys. Andiyan pala kayo. Tumitingin sa akin. Ayan. Hello. Ching, chiring, chiring, chiring. Ang cute ko, ano? Ang cute. Ang cute. Hala, scary mo ito. Scary. Maganda siya. I like this coconut. Tignan natin. Gustong-gusto ko rin yung una. Yung una kong nilagay sa mukha ko. Gusto ko. And, yeah. I'll have to try different kind of mask. This is from Walmart, guys. I don't know. Expensive ba siya, guys? It's something. It's $2 something. Yeah. Mahal ba siya, guys? I think mahal siya, diba? For one, maghanap ako kung saan. Guys, let me know, guys, kung nagmamask kayo, kung saan kayo makakuha ng mask. Yung nilagay ko na mask is very calming siya, guys, sa mukha. As in, parang sobrang cooling effect. Basta maganda yung feeling, guys. And, yun. And, I think i-end ko na tong video, guys, kasi gabi na. Walang katapusang vlog, pero hindi masyadong nagbablog today. Naka-on pala ito. And anyway, guys, thank you, guys. I think I'm gonna buy more of that mask because ano siya, very, paglagay mo sa mukha, pagkatapos yun, para sobrang gan, parang nanuhuts-hut sa skin mo yung yung cooling effect, at saka parang may tingling effect. Ang sarap na feeling talaga. And anyway, so yun, i-blow dry ko lang tong buhok ko, and then, I think kakain ako konti. 10 o'clock na. Konti lang, guys, kasi nagutom. Nagbabalik. Akala ko, ko na, talak na, ginoo ko ano ng oras. Noong oras, 10 o'clock na. Ngayon pa ako kakain. Hanap tayo kung anong makain natin dito. Hold on, guys. Let me shut that light off. Hindi pa tumawag si Tommy eh. I hope he's okay. I hope he is okay. Alam nyo, mag-egg ako, guys. Konting rice and then egg. Gabi na. Ay, alas 11 na. Bye. Ganda ng ano, guys. Yung face mask. Ang ganda ng ano sa mukha ko. As in, nagustuhan ko siya. As in, sobrang nindot. Sobrang nindot talaga. Good morning. Natatapos ko lang kumain ng breakfast, guys. Oh, grabe yung nap ko kahapon ba. Kasi, di ba, I went to the other house. And then I decided to leave like early. Like 4 o'clock over there. To come here that I don't hit traffic. So, yun. I was really tired. So, Tommy kept telling me, take a nap, take a nap. So, I took a nap. I have to move the bean bag. Like, roll it. To, you know, para balance kasi dito. Malalim na dito na area. My husband called me. Hold on, guys.
You're somewhere wide awake.
Yeah, because I covered my face under the blanket. He put his nose, like that Sharpie nose, under the blanket and kissed me. I said, Roxy, over here. So I have to get up because I think she wanna go pee. Because she did it like that, like you trying to wake me up. She is very, like, showing her emotions all the time. In that face, it tells you that she is sad. Yeah, she is sad. She is really unhappy. Confused. Why I'm not with her all the time. Why I don't let it go upstairs. Mama's going up soon. No. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Oh, you did eat your dindin meat. You did. You eat your dindin. Oh, what a good girl. Tignan niyo. She's sad. She's not happy. She's not a happy dog today. Pumasok lang ako galing sa labas. Alam nyo, kahapon, tumawag si Tommy sa akin. Kasi kapag may mail kasi na matanggap si Tommy, makikita niya, the post office will email him what mail the Tommy got for the day. And so he got an email yesterday and he says that I have a mail from New York State for something summons. Until now, I don't know. I texted Tommy because he got home last night, so he wasn't able to tell me what's what because he was so tired. So I texted him this morning. I told him, will you please read the mail para malaman ko what's inside. I checked online. You're not gonna be in jury duty if you are not a citizen. What? I'm not a citizen. I have a green card and they don't allow a person to do jury duty for if you have only green card or passport. So what happened? Until now, I'm still waiting for this little man. What's in the mail? Yeah. I kind of nervous, guys, because you know, New York State, I don't do anything bad, and it's like New York State will deport you. Oh my God, what are we gonna do? Because your president doesn't like whatever. My mind is like going crazy. Mag-iwi muna tayo. Isama ko kayo, guys. Of course, you always gonna go with me. You have to go with me every time I go pee-pee. Ganon yung vlogger. Dapat, if you're a vlogger, you have to pee while you're vlogging. You have to bring the camera while you're peeing. Like this. You have to take that in here. And that's the reality of life. Anyway. Ito na, guys. Ang bango-bango ng kalibutan ngayon. As in. And then, yung rice dito. Yung bulad na ito, ang banger-banger. Yan. At saka, meron tayong sukang pinakurat. Diyan. Yan. Kang. Ibon nerds and eyeball nerds. Tide by tide on my piano. Ibot, bungot, why don't we? Buang mo ng kantahaw, pataka raman na siya. Pataka raman ng kantahaw, pataka raman igot, ibot, bungot daw. Ang init. Jasmine. Tara. May nagsabi ibang jasmine daw. Phoenix. Phoenix ba yun? Hanapin ko yun. Hindi pa ako nakahanap ng Phoenix brand ni jasmine. I don't know. I changed my camera settings right now. I don't know which one is better. I just looking at YouTube kung anong magandang settings sa camera. So, kasi itong camera ko guys, palagi ko na siyang na-change. Yung settings nito is out of whack. Out of whack. Kasi yung settings pa iba-iba kasi. Si Sis Mia, yung kaibigan ko sa YouTube din. Hi Sis Mia, if you're watching. One time we are like telling each other what settings she have, what settings I have, and then I forgot my settings. I asked her. Kanina, chine-change ko yung settings. Ang nangyari, ang lapit ko. Kahit nilayo ko na yung camera, ganun pa rin. Sobrang lapit. Kapag nilapit ko, sobrang ganun. Ilong ko yung nakita. So ngayon, I think okay na siya. Ari, napakugod. Hilom na mundo haba. Huwag iiyak ganon. I'll tell you story guys. So yung pusa ng kapitbahay namin. So nakita ni Roxy doon sa fence area. Doon sa property ng kapitbahay namin. So pumunta si Roxy doon sa fence. Nagdig. So yung cat nag-stop ganon. Pag-stop ng cat, na-curious si Roxy. Nag-stop din si Roxy, nakaupo. Yung mata niya ganon. Sa pusa nakatingin. Yung pusa din nakatingin sa kanya. Alam nyo naman yung pusa kapag very nosy. Sobrang dahan-dahan siya, dahan-dahan. Papunta kay Roxy, dahan-dahan. Si Roxy, wise din. Ganon ang ginawa din ni Roxy. Hindi siya gumalaw. Nakatingin siya. Ako, namiid. Ako, nag-ano lang kung anong gagawin niya. Natakot ako guys kasi yung pusa palapit na kay Roxy. Gumanon yung lakad niya ba, sobrang dahan-dahan. Yung parang ready to attack. So, nagulat ako, punta ako, dagan ako kay Roxy. Si Roxy, nagulat din. Si Roxy, buti na lang yung fence talaga. Sa kabilang side yung cat, sa kabilang side din si Roxy. Roxy la, alam nyo naman yung aso magdig. La, grabe yung dig niya. Grabe. Sabi ko, gaya kang ulo. So si Roxy, gusto palang makipaglaro. Ang ganda ng panahon na para sa inyo. Roxy! Hey! Hey! No, it's kind of cloudy. The rainbow is so nice. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye!